everybody, Kim from KB Tech Ed here. Today we're going to learn how to record the strings in GarageBand for your iPhone or your iPad. So here we go. To record strings, you simply choose strings. You can choose the different things. I always choose the smart strings. You can choose notes or chords. You can choose autoplay. You can turn off the different instruments by tapping them, and you can turn them back on by tapping them back on. Cinematic, or all of these different options. I'm going to leave mine on cinematic. You can swipe your finger like this, and it will make that kind of a noise. If you just tap on them, it makes a different sound. So I'm going to go ahead and turn my metronome off just by tapping that. I'm going to tap on record, and I'm going to play a song. And press stop. I can listen to it by using the play button. I can press stop to stop listening to it. I can always either hit my rewind button or move my scrub head to the side to start over. If I'd like to look at my track, I can just go to the tracks and see what I have so far. Let's do one more, actually. Let's add another string set, another smart string. This time we're going to play first before we start recording. So we're going to play it and we're going to practice what we're going to do. Then we'll come back around and record it. So we're going to press stop. We're going to hit rewind. And now we're going to press record. And stop. And we can rewind that. If we go back and look at our tracks, you can now see that I have two tracks, even though they're the same type of instrument. And if I press play, I can hear what it sounds like. That is how you record in string.